Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today I'm going to be attaching a microphone onto my Mini 3 Pro drone. So as you can see, I've got a live microphone. So it's a newer KM18 live mic. I've got it recently and I want to do an experiment. I want to attach it to my drone and I'm going to have it hanging here. It's secured by a strong magnet and I've put a zip tie on the drone. And I'm going to see what it actually sounds like when I take my drone up. So it is going to be really interesting. I'm going to use a separate phone to record from it because it's wireless. It doesn't record on board. There may be a bit of added weight to the drone, but I'm just going to go straight up and I'm going to come straight back down and see what audio we can actually get from having a drone attached. Alright, so I'm recording with the drone right now, and as you can see, if we look straight down, the microphone's connected. I've got a separate phone over here that's recording the sound too. Without further ado, we're going to take off. I'm going to see how this microphone picks up sound. So alright, so already you can see that the drone is already struggling because of the extra weight. You can hear it. So I'm just going to go straight up. I'm recording from the phone as well as the microphone, as you can see. So I'm looking at my phone right now and recording directly from the drone. I'm going to go to max height. I'm going to see what it looks like for the max height. So connected directly to the drone. You'll hear me directly from my phone. And you can see the mic when I come down because the drone can get wrapped around. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go forward a little bit slowly.
Max altitude reached.
Let's go a little bit forward. So as you can see, the drone's going a bit forward. I'm going to go a little bit that way. I don't know if the microphone's actually cutting off right now. So you've got to be careful. I'm going to bring it down slowly so the drone doesn't get wrapped around the propeller. I'm going to turn this way because I've got to bring it down in a way. You can see a train as well. I'm going to quickly land it so I can do a normal drone flight. I'm going to do a normal drone flight after this. After taking the microphone off, you can actually see the microphone. I can actually see the microphone in real life. Make sure there's a lot of birds below as well. Alright, I'm going to land it now. I'm going to take the microphone off and I'm going to see what it sounds like. Then we're going to do normal flight. I've got to be careful. I'm going to land it now. I'm going to come down slowly. We don't want to cause slack. Alright, so I'm going to bring the drone back now. I'll land it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the drone off now. I'm going to remove the lav mic from the drone and I'm just going to do a normal drone flight. Alright, so now I'm wearing my lav mic now because after watching the footage, the microphone actually did cut off at one point when I got far, but we still able to get a bit of sound. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off. I'm wearing my lav mic right now. So without further ado, we can take off. Just going to do a normal drone flight. I want to do a low down drone flight. I want to do like I want to go near some trees. Let's go in sport mode as well. Actually, look, we've got a train over here. Perhaps we shouldn't have flown in sports mode because it's too sensitive. Look at that. Some nice drone footage we've got of the train central line. That's going towards London, westbound. I'm going to keep walking towards it so we can keep getting signal. Right, let's just start heading back to where I am. Look at this open field. It's really nice, this place. So we've got a lake over there. I've flown in this area before. I haven't been in this exact spot. This spot's new for me. Drones above me. You can hear it. I want to go towards that lake right now. There's actually a miniature lake right here, as you can see. Alright, let's just go towards that lake over here. It's a little bit far, but we can get footage of it at least. So you can see the lake over here. Really nice. Afterwards, I'm gonna get more footage of the train. Look at that shot, insane. Just gonna just orbit around. See, look, there's a little fun fair happening over here. Look at that insane shot, look at that. Alright, we've also got the road down here. I'm gonna go towards this area as well. So that's where the train just went. Really amazing. I'm walking towards the drone right now, so it's not too far. Look at that. You can see that roundabout over there, but that's a little bit too far. So what I'm just gonna do, I haven't done a 360 photo yet. Let's do it in the safe spot. You know what? Last year I actually flew my drone in this area. See that? Let's go back to this area over here where the lake is. Then I'm gonna do a 360 photo in this area. So let's do a 360 photo. So yeah, I just want to see what's going on down there. So let's just go more down there. Let's go a little bit lower as well. You can literally see what's going on. I'm going to get a backward shot of the area. Really quiet over here. All you can hear is birds. Alright, so let's just head backwards. I'm going to do more low down shots in this area. You know what, I don't really get FPV shots that often, so I'm going to get more often. I'm going to get FPV shots. Also, let's go to the other side of the area. So I'm going to go towards the other side. So I'm over down here. I'm walking towards it. We've got the train in the view as well. Let's get a view of the train. Let's go. I want to get a more low down shot of the train. We're going to try and keep up with it in sports mode. All right, ready? We're actually keeping up with it. That's actually sick. Insane. We actually kept up with the drone. You can see the cars over here as well. Really nice. Look how quick we can turn around as well. You know, I want to get a low down shot over here as well. You know what, let's get FPV shots. Actually no, we can't. It's not working. I can do it manually, but so let's go near this tree as well. I can actually hear it. You can actually hear the drone. I'm just going to go a little bit up above this tree. Alright, let's just stay in normal mode now. I'm just going to, I don't know what else we can get shots of. We can go a little bit further down here. Let's just do FPV shots. I'm going to put my drone in FPV mode. FPV mode. The gimbal's in FPV mode now. You can see that. Insane. Let's get FPV shots. Alright, let's put in sports mode. It's not like a proper FPV drone, but it kind of simulates it a little bit. Well, that actually looks nice. We're going to go around. Going to get a nice FPV shot. We're going to go through the trees. If we hit a tree at this speed, we're finished. I'm careful anyway. We won't hit a tree. We're actually so close to hitting a tree, but we're alright. You know what? I'm just going to put it back in normal mode now. It was fun, but it's a little bit too much. Let's get cinematic shots of the trees. Let's go this way as well. See what's going on down here. I went for another train and try and get a low down shot of it. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough battery at that time. There's no point in landing and taking off again because that's literally, you know, there's a straight path going through me right now. I'm gonna try and go directly to that area. It's actually so much fun flying FPV. Alright, let's go in FPV mode and go fast. Looks like we're about to hit that, but we're not. Look at that. You can see the area. And the drone's gonna beep in a minute, but you know what? I'm gonna keep the beeping on so that I can see how the microphone picks that up, because usually it's really bad. So that was a really nice flight that I did there. We're just gonna come back now. We're gonna let the beeping noise happen. It's gonna happen in like 1 second. Right, the beeping noise has started. I'm gonna compare it to how it sounds like on a controller. See if I'm new mic. So I'm gonna just land it here. Alright, so that was an amazing drone flight. The train literally just went, but you can see the train right here. And I just realised something, I was recording in 30 FPS when I should have been recording in 60 FPS. At least we can see what it looks like, because I've got my ND filter on, so it's a good test on my ND filter to see how good the ND filter is in 30 FPS. So I'm going to stop recording now. My next flight's going to be 60 FPS. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.